Four, yes, which is designed to be converted to a community hospital. The time is short, we couldn't make it storage. Yeah, so you basically have the outpatient department, which has the accident and emergency. It has complete radiology like a general hospital. Yes. And this is going to be the first of its kind. From which, yes. Wow. And we shall copy this and take to other places. Yeah. So we bring another design to Kisii. That's what we expect it done really within a very short time, like 6 months maximum. Finished. Yeah.
Right, Honorable, as a sector, we want it by such a fast December.
We
complete.
Today is when?
Today is the 12th of June.
They have come. They are not.
They are handing over to Army Brigade.
Yes.
They have come and they are not going anywhere. So, Right Honorable, here you are going to only greet the people and tell them that we have brought for them the best and the first of its kind. The bigger function is supposed to be the other side. In the Oima Regional Referral Hospital.
Here we are just breaking.
Groundbreaking, and then you greet the people. They are there. The voters have come. They are there. They voted well and they prayed well. Where are we?
I want to take this opportunity to inaugurate and launch this new facility, the upgrade of Buseruka Health Center 3 to Health Center 4 for God and my country. Echo chitono nyo kasoke ngisaininge I want you Bunyolo and the other you know, okay, let me introduce people here. This one is a brand new minister for Bunyoro. I know you know her, but she's brand new. We have Dr. Yume with the new machine. It looks old, but it will work. We want this facility in 6 months. By December, we want people to be taking drugs from here. For aliwa driver, ngenda kutandika, beteka yongo tandika. Kiwede. Hey, talo kuzana. Ogwang. Let's go down.
We're going to have a theater here, and like the engineer said, Right Honorable, during groundbreaking, that these health center 4s, we're going to term them as community hospitals. So whatever a big hospital can do, we shall be able to do it here. We shall have a theater here. We shall have ultrasound scan. For those mothers who want to see how is the baby lying, how is the baby kicking, we'll have those services.
Habwaki ngo abantu basobola kutunga emergency, abantu basobola kugwa, abakuzana mpira basobola kutunga ekikwetagisa bajaga kukolerwaho hano. Obwo ni bagenda kuli ni bagaruka bajja kukolerwaho hano. Kandi ebintu byona bigenda kuba mu bajageta community hospital. Hospital ya abataka. Ekujja kuba mu x-ray, ekujja kuba mu za scan, ekujja kuba mu kusemeza, ebintu byona bijja kuba hano. Tuli Buseruka. Tehali handi buli kimu kijja kwijja. Amaizi president aragire obwo nkugaruka mu bwangu byabakuru bagambi. Amaizi president ahandikire directive yagamba Hoima City hakwetaga amaizi. Ekandi nekichweka kinu kyona kijja kwetaga amaizi. Habo kwa trafiki y'abantu ijja kwetaga amaizi.
It is an honor for me to officially launch the expansion and rehabilitation and equipping Hoima Regional Referral Hospital so that we can host AFCON 2027. I do this for God and my country.
Amen.
At least this one was working. Hoima Regional Referral Hospital is being refurbished and rehabilitated, and we are having new structures here, and this is going to be constructed by UPDF Engineers Brigade, and I'm doing this on behalf of the President and NRM government for God and my country. Let's take advantage. How? By preparing ourselves. Abasuuzi, you need to have enough. The hotel owners, you need to prepare. And us, the farmers, we need to have enough food so that we can sell to these people. You may be aware that many of our brothers and sisters from various African countries and beyond will be residing in Hoima City. To join you for the commissioning or launching of the works to upgrade Buseruka Health Center 3 to Health Center 4. During the upgrade, 3 facilities will be established here. 1, a theater. 2, a general ward. And 3, an outpatient department. Which will include a pharmacy, radiology unit, and accident and emergency unit. Buseruka Health Center 3 is being upgraded together with Hoima Regional Referral Hospital and Masindi General Hospital as we prepare to host the Africa Cup of Nations AFCON tournament 2027. In total, the government of Uganda is going to invest 545 billion Uganda shillings in Bunyoro to get the country ready to host AFCON in 2027. I want you to remember that this figure does not include Uganda shillings 130 billion. 130 US dollars, that is 487 billion invested in the establishment of Hoima City Stadium. We are also going to support hotels in Hoima with 101 billion. Hotels in Hoima basobole kuzombeka speed zika mutindo. We are building a passenger terminal at Kabalega International Airport at 182.5 billion Uganda shillings. We are upgrading this health facility and Hoima Referral Hospital at 91 billion Uganda shillings. This one and Hoima Regional Referral Hospital, 91 billion shillings. But I want engineer Musite tuje kubira ututurorerawo ibaina lero mojo Museveni mukama muomugisa tumusabira mukama Ruhanga muhangaze amuho businge amuho bwomezi Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yagaruka yatugondomolawo kikale kikote kya Prime Minister. For example, the upgrade of Buseruka, this health center we are talking about, from Health Center 3 to Health Center 4, will help decongest Hoima Regional Referral Hospital and Chigorovia Health Center 4. Because Buseruka Health Center 4 will be able to conduct complex procedures such as cesarean sections. Tuje Bosolirano. Akana kangire kurugayo Busimba. Kechikire kakwechikire mama oyangire kazara oboine ekyejo tukakwiyam to officially launch the construction of Buseruka Health Center 4. I want to request the Army Brigade, hakuna kulala. We need this facility in just 6 months. By 31st December, the President will be here to officially commission this facility.
Kasiniya tibyanguhire kuba siniya. Nitwara omugisa guno kutangira.
My honor to officially launch the construction of Hoima Boma AFCON training facility for God and my country.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker.
Kabalega. Ekitarepsi oye! Ekitarepsi oye! I have also committed on behalf of government that they are going to play football at the continental level. We will be able to give them a facility come September to host an international game here in Hoima City. We shall give them Hoima City.